10 Unsolved Secrets of the Universe. The cosmos has unfolded a story of majesty and wonder since its beginning in the Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago. Despite the fact that humans have been engaged in space exploration for some time, we have a limited amount of knowledge about it. Every day, astronomers are plagued by a slew of questions. Some questions were answered, while others remained unanswered. However, some mysteries that astronomers have been unable to explain for centuries remain unsolved. In today's video, we will discuss top unsolved mysteries of outer space that no one can really answer. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos before we proceed. Click the bell icon to receive notifications of new videos. Have you already done this? Let us start. Number 10. Life on Mars. Mars has received more spacecraft than any other planet beyond Earth. Perseverance, a NASA rover, is looking for ancient life and microscopic fossils. Although more data is needed, UK astronomers detected the chemical phosphine, an indicator of life, in the thick clouds of Venus in 2020. The James Webb Space Telescope, when it replaced the Hubble telescope in 2021, it will look for oxygen and other biosignatures of life. Number 9. How will the universe come to an end? People die, planets erode, stars explode, and even black holes vanish. But the universe may live permanently. When the stellar birth rate in the universe peaked, the cosmic baby boom was already distant history. It will be another 100 billion years before star formation in many galaxies dwindles almost completely. Since the mysterious acceleration in the universe's expansion rate, known as dark energy, was discovered in 1998, many astronomers believe it will never slow down, let alone revert to a contracting phase. As a result, galaxies will gradually recede from one another into the distant future. They will eventually vanish beyond each other's cosmic horizons, leaving the universe in darkness and loneliness. All elementary particles may be unstable in the long run, and the matter will cease to exist. Furthermore, the mystery's dark energy that drives the universe's acceleration may become stronger over time, leading to a big rip in which space itself is torn apart. Number 8. What was the cause of Venus's death? At 900 degrees Fahrenheit, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system and is also the Sun's second planet owing to an almost entirely carbon dioxide atmosphere. Sulfuric acid clouds are draping over a volcanic landscape of razor-sharp lava flows. The pressure on Venus's surface is approximately 92 times that of the sea level on Earth. However, some scientists believe Venus was once similar to Earth, with a liquid water ocean similar to the ones that support life on our planet. This raises an existential question for Earth's life. Venus and Earth are planetary siblings, despite the fact that they were created at the same time and from the same materials. Venus is apocalyptic and awful in every way. The planet is a paradise. So why do we have a paradise next to a paradise that has been lost? There are two primary hypotheses. One theory holds that the sun cooked Venus to death. Volcanoes, on the other hand, did. Number 7. Does time exist? Time is what prevents everything from happening at the same moment, said American physicist John Wheeler. However, time is a fickle concept. The majority of what we believe we know needs to be corrected. For example, we imagine time passing. However, in order to flow, something must flow in relation to something else. Just as a river flows in relation to a riverbank, does time flow in relation to something else? A different kind of time? The flow of time is an illusion created by our brains to organize the information that is constantly flooding in through our senses. We also have a strong sense of common history, present, and future. The concept of a common present, on the other hand, appears nowhere in our fundamental description of relativity. How someone else's time is divided depends on how fast they are moving in relation to you or how strong their gravity is. People who believe in physics, like us, understand that the distinction between past, present, and future is merely a stubbornly persistent illusion. Physicists also believe that time emerged from something more fundamental during the Big Bang. Number 6. Why haven't we seen any evidence of aliens? Enrico Fermi, The man who built the first nuclear reactor was having lunch in the Los Alamos Bomb Lab canteen in New Mexico in 1950 when he abruptly asked, "Where is everybody?" American physicists Michael Hart and Frank Tipler independently investigated Fermi's question decades later. Hart imagined aliens spreading across our Milky Way, while Tipler imagined self-replicating machines that, upon arriving at a planetary system, used the resources to build two copies of themselves that continued voyaging. Both concluded that even at slow travel speeds, every star in the galaxy could be visited in a fraction of the Milky Way's age. The aliens, as Fermi realized, should be on Earth, and they do not seem to be. This became known as the Fermi paradox. Hundreds of theories have been proposed. They include the notions that we are the first intelligence to emerge in the galaxy and thus are completely alone. A more mundane possibility is that there is no paradox because any evidence of past visitation would have been erased by wind, rain, and geological processes. However, a team led by Dr. Jonathan Carroll Nellenbach of the University of Rochester, New York, recently proposed that a wave of extraterrestrial expansion bypassed our sun. There remains the question of why we have seen no sign of extraterrestrials in our galaxy, despite searching with telescopes for more than half a century. According to a team led by Dr. Jason Wright of Pennsylvania State University, there is no mystery. We have searched a mere fraction of the galaxy, equivalent to the water in a hot tub compared to the water in Earth's oceans. Number 5. How can gravity be both strong and weak? Gravity presents a perplexing paradox that can be summed up as follows. Why can a mere refrigerator magnet defy an entire planet's gravitational pull? According to some scientists, gravity is as powerful as the other fundamental forces such as electromagnetism and the force that holds the nucleus together. However, its influence is diminished because it leaks into extra dimensions. So long as no better explanation is found, one must do so. Number 4. At what rate is the universe expanding? The Hubble Space Telescope has been calculating the speed at which the universe is expanding for the past 6 years and recently came up with what is considered the most precise measurement to date, except that the rate contradicts independent and supposedly precise measurements of the early universe's expansion. This is concerning for astrophysicists because it implies that we know even less about our universe and its workings than we previously thought. The community is really grappling with understanding the meaning of this discrepancy, said the study's lead author, Nobel laureate, and Bloomberg Distinguished Professor at Johns Hopkins University, Adam Rees. Discover the 17 scientific facts that were proven to be false. Number 3. How did life begin on Earth? We take it for granted that life on Earth began here. But this is untrue. Scientists are uncovering evidence that life on Earth originated on Mars and was transported to Earth by a meteorite. The problem is that scientists need to agree on which field of science will provide the answer and whether science should be considered. Number 2. What occurred prior to the Big Bang? What preceded the Big Bang if the universe began billions of years ago? Stephen William Hawking, PhD, a renowned physicist. Nothing. No one knows for sure. Any events that have occurred before the universe came into existence that have no observational consequence, as Hawking put it, and thus we might as well cut them out of the theory and say that time began at the Big Bang. Number 1. What is the universe's shape? There are several theories about the shape of the universe proposed by scientists. However, NASA believes the leading theory is that the universe is flat, leading them to believe that the size is infinite. However, we can only observe a finite volume because the universe has a known beginning and possibly an anticipated endpoint. All we can truly conclude is that the universe is much larger than the volume we can directly observe, NASA says. Today's video has come to an end. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to view more content. Remember to click the bell symbol to receive notifications when new videos are posted. I will leave you with this and hope to see you in the next video.